How are you, Preeti?
I'm fine.
How are you, Viru?
I'm fine.
Viru Sehastra Buddhi.
Mm.
Hello, Lilwani. 1 second, guys. The Polki. Good evening, Savera. Ma'am, the class. So, so till everyone is joining, how are you, Savera?
Sure, I'm fine.
So till everyone is joining, you will tell me one good thing about growing up and one not so good thing. We'll start with Polki. She will lead by example.
Or can I do it in the end?
No, come on, tell me.
So one good thing about growing up is you can do better things. Second
Yes,
thing, that is not good is the level increases of studying.
the level increases. Okay. But beta, you are gaining something or the other. Yes, isn't it? Arayana, you send me your school book picture after the class of next section if you have got.
No, sir, right now our exams have also not ended.
All right. All right. So, Mr. Dheeraj,
Sir, I'm Potter.
okay, Potter, please tell us one good thing about, growing up.
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
Chippy. Hello, Chippy.
Hello.
So, tell us one good thing about growing up and one not so good thing.
The
Though,
not so good
though
thing
I'm not
is
sure if you are growing up, but
no.
still,
The not so good thing is that you have to study 10 billion times more. But the good thing
yes.
is that you don't. No one gets to boss you around anymore.
Okay, so you want to boss others around. Very good,
Yes,
very good,
sir.
very good, very good. I expect the same. So, Miss Candy, so
Yes,
you
sir.
tell us one good thing about growing up and one not so good thing about growing up.
Mm, Good thing about growing up is the same. We can boss around, and not is we have to study a lot more, which is today.
Beta, can I give you an advice?
Yes, sir.
So you can never boss around your younger sister for sure. And for others, also, I'm not so sure, Candy.
Sir, you're
Because,
very right.
yes, I am right, I know. So she is a very tough nut. So you must meet her someday, her younger one.
Sir, Wasabi has met her a lot.
Yes. So Savera, your chance to tell us one good thing and one not so good thing.
Sir, one good thing is, sir, I don't know.
Tell us something. Tell us your definition of fun other than troubling
Football.
football. Okay. Viranj,
So there is nothing good in growing up.
and what's so bad? Everything is bad only.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Preeti,
Sir, the bad thing is that we have to study a lot, and the good thing is nothing.
good thing is nothing. Oh my
Yes.
God. Dilwani, your chance.
So the good thing is you get more freedom comparatively, and the bad thing is you have to study more.
So Mr. YY,
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
so please start your camera. Show us your handsome looking Chinese face.
So
yes,
is
sir. Sir,
So for those who don't know, Mr. YY is from China.
this is grade 6 or grade 7.
So Mr. YY is from China for those who don't know that.
Sir, I'm not
Sir,
from
I
China.
have to ask the same question. Is this grade 6 or 7?
So this is grade 7 beta. He is doing grade 7 because he has already done grade 6. And there may be few other things why he's because he wants his maths to, improve like anything, and some more reasons as well. So rest all are in grade 7. Okay.
Sir, will Abhiyan join?
But I'm not sure if he'll join, if he'll be doing this batch, but I'll have a word with his mom. So now so guys, from next class, first of all, take an oath that you all will join on time. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I don't want to send messages. I don't want to do any calls because my phone doesn't have unlimited free calls. So I have to, every time I make a call, I don't want to all do that. I don't want to call. Even internet is not free. I don't want to text. So everyone will join on time from next time. All right. And for today, if you want to tell any mischievous thing or fun thing or naughty thing that you did in holidays, you can tell me.
Sir, I can't teach for joining on time because I like to play on my PlayStation in holidays.
Dheeraj, I will see to it, beta. You'd better not mess with me. Till now, also, you are not grown up fully. So if you ever join again late, I will give double the homework and triple the worksheets. Do we understand, Dheeraj? All right. So kids, और क्या है? What's fun? What's new? Yes, Savera.
Sir, I almost broke my leg today.
Okay. How? How almost?
I was playing football in the park.
Okay, don't you use that protection over your ankle and stuff?
Sir, I didn't wear today.
There I also almost broke my hip playing football.
My goodness. So I don't think so. You guys would be using protection for hip.
Yes, sir.
All right. So what's new? What's fun going? What fun did you do in these holidays?
Hi, sir.
Hello, Amira. Ravisha, is your younger sister around?
Sure, sir, she's studying tuition.
Okay, okay. So is she studying or is she teaching?
Sir, that I really don't know. You can ask her teacher.
All right. So Amira, what's your definition of fun? And what do you think one good thing and one bad thing about growing up?
Um, I don't really know.
Okay, so I'm seeing YY, Savera, Viru, and who Preeti after a period of around 14-15 months, I guess. Okay, guys, okay. So what's the first chapter gonna be? Who is going to guess?
Linear equation.
Knowing our numbers.
Any better guesses than that?
Teachers.
Integers.
Linear equations.
So the first concept from grade 3 to grade 6 is the same. So anyone wanna guess what is it?
Integers.
No,
Integers.
Number line.
no P. So it's place value.
Addition and subtraction.
It's place value.
Playing with numbers.
Place value, place value.
Uh-huh.
So let's check if you remember. So give the place value of 7 in, and see, especially the boys, Pritesh, Savir, Adve, and Viransh. Beta, you will do the work neatly in your notebook. You will write question, you will write just one, no need to write the question. You will write one and write the answer. Do we understand each other?
Yes, sir.
Dheeraj, you
Yes,
do.
sir.
So Pritesh, everyone, all of you, I might ask the work from your mom. So make sure, beta, you do it neatly. Before giving the answer to me here, you will write it neatly in your notebook, then do it.
Can I bring my notebook?
Yes, please bring. And while you give me the answer, it's also important to what? It's also important to write space or commas in your notebook. Okay? In your notebook. Viru, Candy, Savera, Amy, and Lilwani, and Wicked Sunny, and Polki,
So
and
we can give it in Indian system or any system.
yes, beta, you have to give an Indian system first. First in Indian, then I'm going to ask in internationals.
Okay.
And tomorrow I will get the next class. I think I'll try taking on a smart board. Quickly, guys, don't take a lot of time. Quickly, be quick.
Or even I've sent you.
Savera, beta, check your answer. Don't make such mistakes. Such mistakes will just make you lose marks. Viransh, I'll need commas from you from next time.
Okay. Okay.
What about me?
I'm
Sir,
checking.
even I sent you.
Yes. All right. So everyone got it correct, mostly in the second attempt, if not in the first. So we have. So in the Indian system, we use 3, 2, 2. We put the commas like this. You can give me in numbers or 70 lakhs like this. All right. So next question, give the place value of 7 in the international system. International. So 9, 7, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1. And remember, when you note down the question in your, this is the question now. This one. Let me erase. 9723561 is the question. Rest let me erase. All right. So when you note down in your notebook, make sure you put commas in it. And even if you give it in digits, you have to put the commas or space. Even space is allowed. All right, everyone is good with place value. That's good to know. So Preeti, your answer? All right. So 1000 spelling is THOUSANDS. Okay, Pritesh.
Yes, sir.
So next we know the Indian system, the international system. You have to write in digits 77 lakhs and 70. Lilwani, you made a typing mistake, I suppose.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, while sending, do we have to add commas?
कॉमास और स्पेस बेटा आपका सीबीएसई अब कॉमास ऐड कर दो
ठीक है.
Adit is wicket Sunny and Ravisha and Viransh. Okay, great. So now 7 million. No, no, let me give an 8. 8,080,080. Mr. YY, Savera, Lilwani, Araina, it's not correct. Please check it. Adit, wicket Sunny is correct. Preeti, Ravisha, Dheeraj, Amy, Viransh is sent. So Polki,
Sir, I sent to you.
but I said it's not correct. For two others, it is 800,080,080. You need help with this?
No, sir, I got my mistake.
So in the international system, it's 80 is 080. 80,000 is again 080 because we can go to 100,000 also. And 8 million will be this. All right, Polki. Beta, do you need help with this? Should I give one more question?
No, sir, I just read it wrong.
All right, next question. Round off to the nearest 100,000, 10,000. And
So
tens also. Tens also. So you will give all four answers in one message quickly.
Sir, how can we do it for the 10,000s?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta, you can do. So that's why I have given the question to you. So let me give a star for this question. Savera gets a star. And Mr. YY, who is from China, gets a star.
ये तो है.
Mr. Potter. Lilwani, the last one is wrong. Polki, the last one is wrong. Miss Amira, the last one is wrong. And the second last one also, just check beta if there is any typing mistake there. Amira, in rounding off to nearest thousands, just check if there is any typing mistake. Candy and Preeti. Candy, you can speak your answer.
yes, sir. Sir, for the tens, it will be 1,570. For hundreds, it will be 1,600. For thousand, it would be 2,000. And for the 10,000, it would remain the same.
Okay, so some of you got the last one wrong, rounding off to.
Sir, for the 100, she said 1600. It is 1700.
So for the hundreds beta, it will be 1,600 only. See, I must have marked it right by mistake. See, 1,569. इससे पहले 100 कौन सा आता है? आदित्य, बी ऑन अनम्यूट।
So 1469.
नो बेटा, इससे पहले आता है 1500।
So oh, okay, sir.
इसके बाद कौन सा आता है? डोंट म्यूट। इसके बाद कौन सा आता है आफ्टर 1000?
1600.
1600. Now this number is closer to which one?
1600.
Let him
1600.
speak. Let him speak. So for
1600.
rounding off to nearest hundreds, this is going to be my answer. Remember, whenever you are rounding off to nearest hundreds, the answer will be a multiple of 100. Another
So
way to do it,
ऐसे नहीं होता sir, like we choose the hundreds place and look the digit towards the right
वो
if
भी
it is.
अभी मैं वही मेथड बता रहा हूँ.
Oh,
We have
okay
to
sir,
round
same
off to
sir.
nearest
Sir,
hundreds.
I've written it by mistake. Okay sir.
I will underline the hundreds place. Let me explain once. I will underline the hundreds place. Check the digit on the right. If it is 5 or more, then we add 1 to this. So rest other digits on the right are sentenced to 0.
Sir,
So
I
it
wrote
becomes
it wrong.
1600. Now 10,000 में भी same story होती है. There is no previous multiple of 10,000. So 1569 can either go to 0 because कोई previous multiple है ही नहीं, or go to 10,000. Now of course this is closer to 0, so it will go to 0. Now let's see the other method. We underline the 10,000's place, then check the digit on the right. If it is less than 5, then all the digits are sentenced to what? 0.
0.
Right?
Okay, sir.
ये 0 रहेगा और on the right all will become 0. So the answer to round off to nearest 10,000 is 0. All right.
Sir, but if the digit on the thousands place is greater than 5, then the answer will change.
Yes, बेटा. अगर मैं आपको 5000 कुछ देता, 5069 देता, तो उसका राउंडिंग ऑफ 10,000 हो जाए.
Okay,
Because this is 0, but the digit on the right is 5 or more. Plus you
yes,
can see 5069 is more closer to 10,000
yes,
than
sir.
it is to 0. 0 से ज्यादा close नहीं है, 10,000 से ज्यादा close.
Okay, sir.
Right, Kenji? Kenji.
So I am doing grade 6.
This is grade 6. बेटा concepts are same. अच्छा, we are in grade 7. चलो कोई बात नहीं, सिस्टम रिवाइज हो गया. Almost forgot you guys are in grade 7 now. You didn't remind me.
I saw it now, plus I am in grade 6.
You didn't remind me. That's bad. Very
I'm in
bad,
grade
guys.
6. I'm
For
grade
grade
6 now.
7. For
That's
grade
what I was
7.
special and you specially opened it
चलो
for me.
ठीक है, रिवाइज हो गया कंसेप्ट. गुड फॉर अस. पहला क्लास रिवीजन का होता है. So first chapter in grade 7 is integers or negative numbers. So I'll give you a short break, then we will start with एक कुछ क्वेश्चंस दे देता हूँ. Determine product. Quickly, 1 minute question. All right, Polki, Lilwani, Savera, correct. Quickly, guys. Mr. YY, correct. Myra, correct. All right, quickly send me, guys. This is grade 7 now. Pritish, I haven't got any of your answers.
Sir, I've sent the A part. I'm just doing
Sir,
the.
I've sent all.
So Adit, your C
The
part
same.
is wrong. Guys, I am writing the answer one by one. Just check.
Sir, can you wait a minute?
First answer क्या है Pritish?
Sir, -27.
Okay, correct. Second answer क्या है? Ravisha, your also third answer is wrong.
Sir, -70.
Okay. Third answer Pritish.
Sir, 72.
Which is correct.
Oh, okay, sir.
Ravisha and who else got
So
Adit?
got it. So got it.
Whenever the number of even
Yes.
write this line. This is a golden rule. Whenever the number of negative signs are even in multiplication or division, then the answer is positive. Then the answer is what? Positive.
Positive.
Whenever the number of negative signs are even in multiplication or division, the answer is positive. देखो even से मतलब है एक नेगेटिव साइन दो नेगेटिव साइन टोटल हो गए टू नेगेटिव साइंस विच इज इवन. अगर मैं एक नंबर और कर दूं then my answer will be आदित क्या होगा मेरा आंसर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव.
So negative.
रवीशा क्या होगा आंसर मेरा पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव.
सर किसमें?
इसमें बेटा -5 इंटू -4 इंटू -3.
नेगेटिव. हाँ वो तो चाची को लाना आती नहीं है तो माँ 3-4 साल से आदत है पर आपको
All right, do it. Mr. YY from China.
Sir,
Yes, Candy.
sir, we have to send all in one message.
Beta, you can send me one by one also. Wicked, Sunny. Don't be wicked. So, Adit. So, who has given the answers? Savera, show me your notebook.
Sir, not me yet.
All right, Savera. Fine. Just put a tick where you get it correct, put a wrong if you don't get it correct. You can do that also. Advay, do you have any confusion in the D part?
नो सर, मैंने क्वेश्चन ठीक से नहीं देखा था, जब मैं रिवाइज करा तब पता चली गलती।
Pritesh, answers बोल दो मुझे.
Sir, A part 70, B part 144,
Sir, I'm doing fast.
C
Okay.
part
Wait,
minus
wait,
30.
wait.
Wait.
Wait. Fourth part send me in chat, Pritesh.
Okay, sir.
So the same rule is followed in division also.
Sir, done.
All right, Pritesh and Ravisha, answers are correct. Still, I'll write down the answers. 70. So we can add 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 7, 70. So this we can do 72 multiplied by 2 is 144. There are two negatives, so they will become plus. Here there are three negatives, so it will be minus 30. Here there are two negatives, so here it will be 42. All right. So we will do next is, you guys are really in grade 7, because yeah, you guys don't look like grade 7 kids. Is it true?
Yes, sir.
The grade 7 kids now look like grade 8 kids.
I don't know. I'm just confirming. Properties. Next is properties of operators. So Mr. YY, please read this. Mr. YY,
Yes, sir.
please read the properties.
Property 1, multiplicative identity. The product of 1 with any numbers is the number itself. For example, 32654 into 1 equals to 32654. B, 1 into 0483 equals to 10483. The property 2, property of 0. The product of O with any number is 0.
Zero, the
For
product of
example,
0 with any number, not with
the
O.
product of 0
Beta,
with
this
any
is
number is
India. We
0.
don't use O and like that in, sentences and mathematics that way. You have to be careful, beta. This is not China. This is 0. So please
Yes.
read it again.
Property of 0. The product of 0 with any number is 0. For example, A, 32654 into 0 equals to 0. 0 into 10483 equals to 0.
Thank you, Mr. YY. So I think it's self-explanatory. Identity means कि same रहता है, कुछ भी change नहीं होता. And 0 का तो explain करने का जरूरत नहीं है. So Preeti, your chance to read the third and fourth.
Property 3, commutative. Even if the order of factors has changed, the product remains the same. For example, 1, 2, 3 into 3 equals 369. B, 3 into 1, 2, 3 equals 369. Property 4, associative. If three or more numbers are multiplied together, they can be grouped in any order. The product will remain the same. A, 50 into 2 into 3 equals 50 into 6 equals 300. B,
All
50
all
into
right,
2
yeah, go on.
into 3 equals 100 into 3 equals 300.
So see, one we have studied the identity property, which means we multiply with one any number, we get the same. Second is property of 0. Third is commutative and associative. These two are same for addition also. So if you add two numbers 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5 or 15 plus 3 or 3 plus 15, is always going to be same. In associative, the thing is same, just it is done with 3 or more numbers. So here you are multiplying 2 into 3 first, here you are multiplying 15 to 2 first. So how do we remember where we will use associative, where we will use commutative? In after A क्या आता है? B, and B stands for bracket. So because it is having bracket, so this is associative. Okay. For plus also the same property will be followed for plus or for multiplication. So guys, Potter gets an extra worksheet for, keeping his camera off.
Sir, I'm keeping my
Please
camera
clap for
on.
Potter. One extra worksheet, guys. Well
Sir,
done.
no, sir, because my
You have
internet,
earned it. You have done the hard work. Very, very good.
my internet has gone down, so I'm
Oh, okay, okay.
I don't deserve it. I don't
So,
deserve
Candy,
my
fifth.
holiday.
Closure property. If A and B are two whole numbers, their product C will always be a whole number. For example, 3 into 4 is equals to 12. That is, whole number into whole number is equals to whole number.
So what does it tells us? That if we multiply two whole numbers, we always get a whole number. It is true for integers also, that if we multiply two integers, we always get an integer. So will it be true for division also? Closure property division के लिए true होगी?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Will it be true for subtraction of integers? Will closure
No.
property?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Will it be true for subtraction of whole numbers?
No,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So see, कुछ आंसर गलत है. Subtraction of whole numbers के लिए closure property is not valid. No. But subtraction of integers के लिए it is valid. 7 minus 12 minus 5, this is also an integer. Okay.
Sir, what if it comes minus 7 minus 12?
Minus 7
Sir,
minus
I'm
12 will
able
be
to
minus
understand.
19, again an integer.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes. So it's true for subtraction of integers. Next is distributive property. So who will read this? Yes, Amira, please read it.
Property 6, distributive property. If A, B, and C
One
are
second,
whole
Amira,
numbers,
Pritish, beta, you do the class on a table and chair, beta.
Excuse me, sir.
Not from the bed, beta. You don't have a table and chair?
Sir, I have it.
Beta, please sit on it. Adve, you too, beta.
Yes.
Please sit on it. Don't, you're not in grade 4, 5 anymore that I can allow. You have to. Viransh, where are you sitting?
On a chair.
And do you have a table? Yes, that's fine. So Adve, beta, right now you cannot move.
No, sir. So I'm doing on my laptop and it's a very heavy one. So, and kept it on charging. And my table is very far. So I'll switch in the next class.
Yes, beta. Okay.
Yes.
So yes, Amira, please continue.
A into B, B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. For example, 7 into 8 plus 3 is equal to 7 into 8 plus 7 into 3. Also called the distributive property of multiplication over addition.
Okay,
A
thank you,
into B
Amira.
minus
Thank
C.
you, Amira. 1 second, let me explain this. So see, if we have any number, even this can be used for normal numbers also, like we have 85 into 87. So we can split 87 into 40 plus 47. Then we can multiply this 85 into 40 plus 85 into times 47. I will give a simpler example. We have to do 12 times 9. Let's say you have to do 17 times 9 and you don't know the table of 17. Or you don't want to go in such big. So you can do 17 into 4 plus 17 into 5. I have split 9 as 4 into 5. Do we get that? So this is called distributive property of multiplication over addition.
Excuse me,
Now
sir,
you,
can we do 17 into 10 minus 1?
yes, I'm coming to that. We can also do 17 into 9 is equal to 17 times 10 plus 17 times minus 17 times 1. So this is how you will do it in your mind. Potter, if your camera is off, your mic better be on. So 17 times 10 minus 17 times 1. All right. So have we understood this?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Let's go to the next properties of division. So Polki, please read.
Yes, sir. Property 1. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the dividend itself. For example, 17 divided by 1
Yeah,
is
we
equal
all
to
know that. We all know that. Thank you. Next one, property 2.
property 2. When a 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is 0. For example, 0 divided by 321 is equal to 0. 0
Oh,
divided by 4
that's it. That's it. Polki, thank you. Next one, property 3 and 4 will be read by Savera.
Property 3, when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. For example, A, 38 divided by 30.
That's it. Okay, it's 1. It's itself the quotient is 1. Okay, next property 4.
Property 4, division by 0 is not defined, so we cannot divide any number by 0.
All right. Next, for closure property for integers will division we have already discussed. So rest we have discussed. Subtraction discussed. What is the additive identity for addition?
Zero.
Kiransh?
Zero.
Zero. Zero is the additive identity for addition. Now we will do some questions of division of integers. Do it, guys. Do it.
percent.
Saint?
Yes, sir.
Adve, are
Percent.
you writing properly in your notebook?
Yes, sir.
Candy, I'm afraid first one is wrong.
So the other two are correct.
Yes. Preeti and Potter.
So just 2 minutes.
Potter, is that a joke? Seriously, Potter, is that a joke? Pritish, your answers are correct. So what is 72 divided by 9? 8, Potter.
Yes, sir.
What is 72 divided by 8?
72 divided by 8, 9.
9. But here it's negative. So answer will be -9.
Sir, we can.
Odd number of negative signs है ना?
Okay, sir.
1 ही नेगेटिव साइन है. सेकंड का आंसर क्या होगा पॉटर?
Sir, then the second will be, there's only one negative sign, so the answer will be minus 5.
-5. Now everyone remember BODMAS. This time
Yes,
we
sir.
have special powers. We will do V BODMAS. What is V BODMAS?
सर जो ऊपर लाइन होती है वो भी है.
What is V?
पर जो नंबर वो तो उसके
V
भी
stands
ऊपर.
for V branch. V stands for what? What? Guys speak.
Vintage.
Vintage? No.
Violin.
No.
Violent.
No. Branch. Vinculum. Have you heard of this before?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Vinculum. And bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now what is vinculum?
So
If I
just
write like 25 divided by 5 plus 5.
सर जो दो
Sir,
नंबर
but don't we? Oh,
This
so
is
we have to do this before bracket.
This is vinculum. We have to do it first, even before the brackets.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is kind of a bracket only. अगर ये vinculum आ गया, तो आप मान लो ये question ऐसा है.
Sir,
Vinculum is a bracket. Yes.
sir, I forgot what O stands for.
O stands for off. Off also means multiplication, but if they write 5 off 2, then you have to do 5 off 2 first.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Okay,
we have to do this first. So rest, you know. If you want to write V BODMAS, you can write it. V BODMAS. V stands for vinculum. Question A part 25 plus 40 divided by -4. Do it, guys. Now these questions I'm warning you in advance, they are not as easy as it looks. So you will write step by step in your notebook, then you will send. Don't try to do it orally. No one is going to try it orally. Why did you write it in your notebook?
yes, sir.
Have you got the Indian citizenship?
What do you? Yes. Say yes, sir.
Okay. Olki, if you have your mobile, send me a screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Water mobile हो तो screenshot भेज दो.
Yes.
Candy Viru.
Yes, sir.
Candy, what's your answer?
Sir, plus 15.
Yes. So don't send me hi.
Sir, you said that whenever you send me from some random number, always say hi before you send.
No, 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 no.
I was
I
following
take
instructions.
my words back.
Okay, sir, I won't do it from now on. Sorry.
Okay, Dheeraj, I got your mistake. Raina, you sent me something else in the chat.
So that I sent one by mistake, then I deleted it.
Okay, बेटे. Fine, it's correct. धीरज, आपका आया 25. This was -10, so -10. 25 -10 आप भूल गए धीरज? Very good. Great man, great. Very good, धीरज.
I subtracted -10. I added. No.
So, okay, guys. I hope
-25
today
minus.
we had fun troubling Dheeraj and some more. So,
I
bye,
don't
guys.
Yes, sir.
know the first time
Bye,
to
sir.
Bye, guys. Good night,
Thank
guys.
you, sir.
Sir, do
Thank
I
you,
have
sir.
to send
Thank you, sir.
photos? Oh, I will.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Just
sir.
show me. अभी दिखा दो मुझे. ठीक है प्रीतिश, fine. Okay. Bye. Bye, Pritish.
Well,
Night.